Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to manage battery on app in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to battery. Here in battery, you can see the app battery management. To manage the battery on app, okay, you'll have to do is tap the app battery management. And now here you can see the application on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, for my example, I manage the battery on Facebook app. So you can tap the app of Facebook. And now you can manage the Facebook app. So you can allow foreground activity. You can turn on or off this by switching off or on the button on the right side. And you can allow the background activity by switching on the switch button on the right side. You can turn off again or on the allow background activity. And also you can disable or allow the auto startup by switching off and on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully managed battery on app in a Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.